Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam.
Yes.
Is that what ages then? Is the spirit soul is leaving the body to become older?
No, spirit soul is not old. The body is changing. That is the process. That will be explained. Dehinasmin dasadehi kumara jovanam jara tatha dehantram prapti dhirasattanamayati. But spirit soul is evergreen. The body is changing. That is to be understood. Body is changing. That everyone can understand. Just like in your childhood, your body was there, that is this child, a different body. And when that child will be younger, that will be different body. But the spirit soul is there, in this body and that body. So this is the proof that spirit soul does not change, the body change. This is the proof. I am thinking of my childhood. That means I am the same I, which I was existing in my childhood. And I remember in my childhood I was doing this, I am doing that. But the childhood body is no longer. That is gone. Therefore, it is conclusion that my body has changed, but I am the same. Is it not? This is simple truth. So this body will change, still I shall remain. I may enter into another body. That doesn't matter. But I shall remain. Tatha dehantaram prapti dhirasattanamaya. As I am changing my body, even in the present circumstance, similarly, the ultimate change does not mean I am dead. I enter into another. That also explains. Vasangsi chinnani jata. Just I change. Just like when I was not sannyasi, I was dressing like any gentleman. Now I have changed my dress. That does not mean that I have died. No, I have changed my body. That's all. I have changed my dress.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,